Hi guys, it's me again, Rhain. So I have another vlog for today, but first, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe simply by just clicking the subscribe button and also the notification bell button as well for good luck and for you to be notified every time I post a video. Okay, so for today's content, I'm gonna share with you guys this trick or technique that will make your stomach flat, or that will make your waist or waistline smaller or slimmer. Okay. In just 1 week, of course, by doing it consistently. Okay, so if you are interested, please keep on watching. So this trick or technique is called stomach vacuum. So what is stomach vacuum? Stomach vacuum is an exercise you can perform on a daily basis to help slim your waistline and create a midsection that is tighter overall. The question is, does the stomach vacuum exercises really work? Yes. The stomach vacuum exercises are a great way to increase your core strength. Exercises like these are better for activating deep abdominal muscles and spinal stabilizing muscles. According to research, it is also helpful in strengthening obliques and deep core muscles. Okay. Now, how to perform stomach vacuum? Okay, position yourself whether by standing, sitting, kneeling, or position like this and this. Okay, so this process of stomach vacuum can be performed 5 to 7 minutes a day, but for me, I am doing it 5 minutes a day, or equivalent to 300 seconds. How will you do it? Okay, so while you are in the position, just inhale with your nose and exhale with your mouth. Just like this. So exhale thoroughly. Make sure that there's no air left in your stomach. Make sure that you release the air in your stomach. Okay? Then pull your stomach in. Okay, then pull your stomach in and hold for 20 seconds. Alright? Okay, after 20 seconds, you release. Okay, so just repeat the process. Inhale with your nose, exhale with your mouth, and then pull your stomach in, then hold for 20 seconds. Okay, so that's the stomach vacuum technique. Okay. Okay, let's try. Alright, so that's the stomach vacuum looks like. Much better if you will use a timer, okay, for you to have a guide and to manage your time also. Okay, I have something to show you, just like what I did. This one. So, how to perform a stomach vacuum. So, 5 minutes a day is equivalent to 300 seconds. As I've said a while ago. So 300 seconds, I just divided it into 3 20 seconds, like this. So 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so that's 5 minutes. So this is just a guide. It's up to you, or it's your strategy on how are you going to manage your time while doing or performing the stomach vacuum. Okay? So that's all, guys. I hope you learned something today in our vlog. Keep safe, everyone. God bless, and see you in my next one. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.